Oh boy, we might shoot somebody. Yeah, let's do it. I've planned our route a little bit. And he's out again.
Bye, Tam.
It was really cold last night, eh? How was your
No,
sleep?
it wasn't cold till the morning.
Oh yeah, no, but it really got cold this morning. I woke up and I saw all the white sand and I thought, is that frost?
I think I stayed in bed for an extra hour and a half because it was cold.
Yeah, it's so cold.
Like, I was awake. I even came down and got my book, but I was like, no way I'm getting out of here.
Yeah, and then as soon as the sun comes out, it really warms up. And that's it. Camp life in the desert. Cold and hot. It's gonna be a hot one today, probably. Whoa. That's a very ferocious of that. Oop. Take the charger out of the thing.
You say tomato, I say tomato.
You say tomato, I say alligator.
You say potato.
Why is there a champ out there? Champ?
Toast right there on that cutting board. There's hair in my chocolate.
There's some milk in that.
In his ass.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Can I help you? Can I help you? Is there something you'd like? Oh, hello. Hello.
Are you really hungry? Did we never feed you or something?
I should feed him. Why is there? Oh, hi, hi. Bon appetit. You ready for breakfast?
I'm ready, thank you. Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Did we go twice?
How do you like this shop's cool, eh?
Mountains and mountains of tires.
Like a little backyard, cool little.
There's like a whole bunch of them.
Yeah.
Like all.
So yeah, he's putting the tire in a bathtub and rolling it around in the water to see if any bubbles come up. If bubbles come up, that's the air escaping, and it shows where we have a leak. Just doing our last minute planning, getting ready for Slab City. Got all the little DIY fan going here and big fan up there. We're outside of a McDonald's stealing their Wi-Fi. Are you excited for Slab City? Because you're nervous, right? You're pretty nervous about Slab City.
I guess it takes like a pretty extreme person to live in a van.
Yeah.
A lot of people. So people who are living in them full time, I feel like there'll be a lot of big personalities.
Yeah. And that scares you sometimes.
Yeah, I think just because I kind of tend, I guess as a photographer and an artist, I like to be unnoticed and to sort of like observe and get in people's business a little bit with my camera and in other ways, and some people don't like that very much, and I guess we just have to be careful.
Yeah. So after the nerve-wracking bit about the tires, I was a little nervous about that, but I'm glad I got that sorted out. We got everything else sorted out we need to in the town of Brawley. And now we're heading up. We're going to do the last bit, dump the tanks, and head over to Slab City. Sun is going to set pretty soon though, so we kind of wanted to get in and get out because Shelby's afraid.
No, I wanna stay on the Salton Sea. Is that before or after Slab City?
Well, Slab City's, it's kind of after Slab City.
I didn't know we were going to Slab City right now. I thought we were going to the sea.
Well, yeah. They're both kind of in the same place, so.
Oh.
It'll be fun. I'm looking forward to it. I think we'll get there and see that it's like a retirement community and probably spend the night. Because you'll be
I would
like,
rather spend the night on the water.
yeah, but the water's not nice.
Oh. I want to see the daylight though, so I thought if we stayed the
Well,
night
we're
there,
gonna definitely spend all day tomorrow on the Salton Sea.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay.
He traveled to Nebraska where he created a giant hot air balloon that read, "God is love." His hot air balloon rotted out and he began creating Salvation Mountain in 1984 in Slab City. The first mountain collapsed, and as he began rebuilding, he proclaimed, "Now God, you build it." In 2007, he was featured in the movie Into the Wild.
Oh, he's dead?
He died on February 10th, 2014. Leonard Knight was his name.
It's been almost 2 years.
In 2011, he formed a non-profit organization to preserve the monument.
Nice trailer.
Yeah.
This is where oh, we should park here. Look, we're here.
Why?
Look, all these campers are like us.
That's true.
Do you know where the library is? Over that? Okay, we'll go that way. Thank you.
You fit really well there.
It's my life. I don't ask you to live my life, okay? It's the life of a giant. For those of you who don't know, I am 6'6", 265 pounds, and I don't fit in a van very well.
Are you Hagrid?
You're a wizard, Shelby. How's that?
You're half foot giant.
Yes, exactly.
Half wizard.
Tonight on the menu, we are cooking up chicken, and we're gonna barbecue it style, some potatoes, some eggplant, and have ourselves a nice fireside barbecue. Except for I'm cooking it on a stove, because I don't have time. And it was just like really a long, arduous process last time.
And we don't have that much firewood.
And we don't have that much firewood. But
and doesn't have nice grills like last time.
And you know what? And also Shelby is really looking forward to making us s'mores tonight. So that's the real culinary delight of Slab City tonight. It's gonna be Shelby's s'mores.
Would you like some more?
Zzz.
Some more?
You're terrible. Stop that. There we go. One barbecue chicken dinner. Potato and eggplant. One Sleepy Go fan. Come on up here. Let's go eat.
Coming. Are you excited to eat some food? Look at these purple potatoes.
Those are eggplants.
No, they're just purple potatoes.
Okay.
Why do they call them eggplant? Would you like a beer?
I love a beer.
Slide together in natural.